explain how the flying bird works. On the bird, there are two cams, and when you make the bird go like that, it makes it so the wings will go up. So when you push down, the wings go up. And there's also two sensors in this one. It's called the tilt sensor, and when you put it at any 90-degree angle, it can be up or down or like this, it will make a flapping noise. And the second sensor is the motion sensor, and that makes it, when you put the bird close to the ground like that, it makes a tweeting noise as if it were pecking. For the bird to work, we made two programs, and we made it so they would work at one time. And the top one with the timer, it waits for the motion sensor to kick in, and when it does, after that, there's a sound that is a pecking sound, and the 19 is there because that's the number of what you're trying to do. And the other timer with the 3 is that it's waiting for 3/10 of a second. And this one was and then it starts all over again. And this one was for the flapping noise, and it's waiting for the tilt sensor to come in. And then there's a music note with an 18, that's the sound of wings flapping. And this is also waiting for 3/10 of a second, and then it starts all over again. Now I'm going to show you the bird in action.